Good morning, South High School. This is Mr. Formolo, your school principal, and coming to you today with a encouraging message to participate in our upcoming service day on Friday, March 20th, the last day of school before spring break. We do have an early release day, but as tradition has provided us on these early release days like Thanksgiving and now spring break, the Friday before spring break, we have been turning those into service and activity days. So next Friday, we will participate in service day in the morning, and then we'll have various activities in the afternoon to celebrate your service. And I wanted to be able to talk with you today just about the importance of participating in service day. This is a great opportunity for you as an individual, within your groups or clubs, however you might be signing up for service, and just as a school community as a whole, that we provide service to those around us. We have a lot of great opportunities for you this spring to participate in service in the community, and also our continued service in the building as well. So today you will be getting a Google form that will give you an opportunity to sign up for various service projects. We really want to encourage you and push you into signing up for those off-site opportunities. And for those of you that are able to provide your own transportation because you have the privilege of a driver's license and a vehicle, please consider signing up for those opportunities first, as then we can provide the other opportunities for those who may not have vehicle transportation and or a driver's license because of age. So when you look at the Google form, it's really going to start out by asking you one of three questions. The first question that will be asked is, do you prefer to be off-site? And if you prefer to be off-site, then click that one and it's going to show you the off-site opportunities only. We do have listed in parentheses within the form those sites that will require you to provide your own transportation, and those sites that will have an opportunity for you to take busing. There's various activities that will be both within local school buildings, but also some of our projects will be outdoors. So as we get closer to the event, we'll definitely let you know what you will need to have to be prepared for that type of service. The second question that we'll ask of you, and this might be for those many of you who aren't quite sure if you'll be able to get the transportation on your own, but it's really simple. You just saying, you know what, I'm all about service, and if my service is in the community, great. If my service is here at South High School, great. So you can check on that one too, and then that will provide you the opportunities of those service activities that are specifically offered here within the building. And depending on what your affiliation is with some of our school clubs, that might be the link you'll need to click on, because if you're working through a group or a team, that would be the place you would want to try to find that service activity. And there is a third question there. I know that this is the Friday before spring break, and many of you may already have some plans with school-related trips, family-related trips, or other various things that kind of come up. In that event, we would like you to click on that one, and you would still click on some choices for which you would participate. Because as we know, you may have some plans, and if they fall through, we want to make sure that we have you assigned to a location for service. We did present the various activities to your teachers yesterday at a staff meeting. So today, as you're looking at those choices and you want a little bit more clarification, your teacher should be able to help you out with having a better understanding of what that activity might mean. And thank you so much for participating in our service day. We look forward